हम हैं शार्क टैंक इंडिया के सेट पे और चलिए आज क्रू मेंबर से पूछते हैं कि वो रितेश के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं। ओके, आई विल आस्क यू वन, नहीं आई विल आस्क यू 3 क्वेश्चंस। एंड द आंसर ठीक है, वेरी गुड। ओके,
आई डोंट नो इसका क्या।
हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Hi, I'm Nitya.
Hi, my name is Riddhi.
हाय मैन, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Vishesh Garg.
Hi, my name is Princey. My name is Jalpa.
What is that one quality of Ritesh that you love the most?
One quality about him is that during every pitch he has this constant smile on his face, and that just makes it very engaging to the pitcher who is there. It's something that like a shark is smiling. It's like, okay, he's interested in my pitch. So that is one quality that is really good. He's always smiling. He's always really happy. He's always listening. So yeah, that's one.
I just think that he is a very encouraging shark on the panel. Like even if he's not totally into offering, whatever. What is that? Yeah, totally into investing. He will encourage the pitcher. He will encourage the founder, and also he's very interested in knowing the backstory of the businesses. Even on a personal end, not just on a professional end, but like what's your backstory, as in what does your family do, or how did you start that? So I think that makes a very personal connection with the people who are pitching, and it adds a very nice personal touch to the pitches. So I think that's great.
One thing that I would say that I would actually respect a lot about him and like a lot about him is that how punctual he is and how he has everything figured out. Like my main work over here is to help the Sharks, but with him, it makes my work so much more easier because he doesn't need any help. He has everything sorted out. One thing that's really nice about him is that how he equally treats everyone. Like I'm not his team member, but I'm in a way working for him, but it never feels like that. It feels I'm working with him. So I genuinely like that.
I love his nature, his humble nature, and his Hindi vocabulary. I learned so many Hindi words. First is Nivesh, then Nafa, and there was one more, but I don't remember. But these are my 2 favorite words. Nivesh.
What is Nivesh?
Nivesh is investment. So personally what I like is he's always smiling, like no matter what, how intense it is, how serious it is, how bad the pitch is going, even if the other sharks are bashing them up, he's still laughing, or even he's just encouraging the person who's come to pitch. So that's one thing that I really like about him.
I'll ask you one more question. What is that one quality do you think that made Ritesh so successful?
Okay, so Ritesh, as I know, started when working on his venture when he was like 19, 20, and I am of that age. So I feel that one thing that must have really driven him is the passion and compassion and the energy we have at this age. We're always looking to do something. Our mind is in that creative zone that we want to do something. We want to achieve something of our own. We always look up to people who have their own startups or they have their own businesses, and we want to be in their shoes. So I think that energy, that creative mind, and that zeal to want to be owning such a big business or having a startup is something what has gotten him to where he is right now.
I think Ritesh is he comes from a very normal rooted background himself. He doesn't come from a lot of money. So he like whenever the pitchers come or the founders come, he can empathize with them. He can put himself in their position and know exactly what they have been going through, because I'm sure when he was doing the same thing, he must have felt the same way. So I think that makes him very, that brings a very personal connection or a personal touch with the founders. And I think that's a plus for him, which is why he has been so great and one of my favorites on Shark Tank.
The one quality, I would say he's a good listener.
Okay.
And very motivating, and I love the way he treats his pitchers. He greets them. The questions he asks is really like to the point.
Yeah, he's very sweet, he's very coordinating,
And how he's like, जब pitchers आते हैं tank में, he's very humble and he gives them advices. Very like, I would love to have someone in my own company, a person like that. So I really like him. Yeah, as an investor. He's a very good listener, and then he's an advisor also. Like if he finds कि हाँ कुछ गलतियाँ हैं तो वो बहुत humbly बताते हैं. So he's a very good listener.
So I'll give you 2 options.
Alright.
Is it his calmness or is it his risk-taking ability?
If I say it from what I think a 20-year-old's mind is, I think it's the risk taking, because at such a young age we are free to try out whatever is there to us. There's no restrictions, so we are free to take risks. We have that energy that yeah, let's go on, let's try it. So I think it was the risk taking part that made him where he is right now.
क्या लगता है रितेश कैसा कर रहे हैं सीजन 4 में?
I think he's doing great. बहुत अच्छा रहा, and he has, in fact, I think he has made the most offers.
Amazing. He is actually putting a lot of investments in a lot of these pitches till now, and he's really interested in a lot of different sectors. It's not like he's focusing on only one sector pitches. The pitches coming are coming from various different sectors, and he's exploring all of them. So I feel that's a great thing.
आई वुड से या अभी वो जितने भी पिक्चर्स आए हैं इस सीज़न वो बहुत उनसे लाइक पर्सनल लेवल पे कनेक्शन बनाते हैं एंड देन वो इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट मेक्स द पिक्चर ऑल्सो वेरी लाइक हाउ डू से ग्राउंडेड कंफर्टेबल. या सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ हिम.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.